ladies and gentlemen, gather around, because today we're talking about the one, the only, SAP. You know, the software giant that's more complex than my grandma's recipe for fruitcake, and trust me, that has more layers than an onion wearing a winter coat. So, SAP stands for Systems, Applications, and Products, but I like to think it stands for seriously, another process, because let's face it, navigating SAP can feel like you're in a maze, blindfolded, and the walls keep moving. But here's the thing, SAP is like the Hercules of the business world. It's big, it's powerful, and it's been around since the time when computers were as big as my living room. SAP has seen things, folks. It's like the wise old sage of software, except it doesn't just give you advice, it runs your whole business. Now, SAP's success is no joke. They say, success is 1% inspiration, 99% perspiration, but in SAP's case, it's 1% clicking, 99% waiting for the screen to load. And once it does, oh boy, you better hold onto your hat because you're about to enter a world where user-friendly is just a myth, like unicorns or calorie-free chocolate. But let's give credit where credit is due. SAP is like the Swiss Army knife of business software. It does everything: finance, HR, manufacturing, you name it. Need to manage your inventory? SAP. Process an invoice? SAP. Plan a trip to Mars? Probably SAP's got a module for that too. And here's the best part, implementations. They say Rome wasn't built in a day. Well, neither is an SAP system. It's more like building Rome, rebuilding it, realizing you built it upside down, and then starting all over again. But once it's up and running, it's like a well-oiled machine, if that machine requires constant updates and a team of consultants to keep it going. In the end, though, SAP is like that tough coach from high school. It pushes you, challenges you, makes you question all your life choices, but in the end, you come out stronger, wiser, and with a deep appreciation for anything that is not SAP. So, hats off to SAP, the software that's been keeping consultants in business and coffee machines working overtime since 1972.